Yeah, hit that shit. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be bagging this brand new 10th gen Accord, and it's this big booty gentleman right here. It's his car, and we're gonna be showing you guys everything that we're modding on this brand new vehicle and if it's worth it to mod a brand new car. What's up, Gooners? This is my Make-A-Wish contestant, and he won. So this is the first episode of Pimp My Ride. We're gonna be throwing bags on this hoe.
I'm about to get plus 20 RAM on my car.
Hey, who just pulled up?
Jag.
What's that, bro? Oh my God, we got the lineup out here. Guess where Darian went? Can you guess? Guess. It's Saturday, think about it.
Oh, he had to get his hair cut.
Yeah, he's getting a little taper fade real quick. He want to be fresh for the video.
Did you get that thing oiled down? Oiled down? Yeah, did you get it oiled down?
You talking about the oil change?
Yeah.
So why don't you just say that? I mean, what the fuck? Every time I come over here, you only gotta take me through this homosexual rigmarole, man.
Yeah.
Probably want to do that beforehand.
Actually, yeah, let's thread this in first.
You guys know what you're doing.
Yeah, I've been around the block. I a couple dudes, you know what I mean?
What?
Motherfucking Jonkler pulled up, bro. Tell the camera what it smells like.
It smells like tires. It smells great.
It does. It smells like rubber. You want to smell that shit?
Oh yeah, it smells like tires.
Fun fact, the bags are actually made in the same factory that children make your iPhones.
These are good quality.
Hit it like it just fucked your mom.
You got that, gang.
The rest will fall out. That's it.
We don't gotta put these in beforehand, do we?
Probably not. Yeah, and if you want to air them up, like that.
Well, there you go.
What?
That's the spring gun.
All right.
Nice.
Every part.
See where it went? There it is. Oh, yeah, baby. That's one of those Allen key bolts again. You gotta.
Oh. This camera looks fucking fantastic zoomed in. Holy.
That teamwork, bro.
That shit.
That teamwork, bro.
Crank that soldier board.
Oh, shit. That's not what I thought that shit was.
Plug.
These are the lines or the bolts you need that go here. So it's gonna go bag, car, plate, bolt.
All right, what we doing, Nick?
Taking a bar the trunk, go see.
Sir.
He's taking out these, those, and the other side to get the whole back seat out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. We have to basically get under this. Look at this motherfucker.
I'm contraptinating.
One time when I worked at Rosati's, some guy put flour all over his hand, and then he squeezed his own ass so it looked like there's a handprint, and then he went up to the old manager and walked away, and then he went, whoa, who you been hugging? They got you good.
That's crazy.
Trunk interior and back seats have been removed. That's all. We're not gonna tell you how, because fuck you. We've got the back together except for the springs, which are now bags, but you can't get to this once they're in, and that's where the line goes. So we're kind of making sure that we're gonna be able to run the lines before we do that.
Yo, when are you showing up? We're kind of just waiting for you.
Waiting for me for what?
To start the bags. What are you talking about?
I could come after, but I'm at work until 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. I guess we're waiting. I guess we'll start.
You guys are waiting for me the whole time.
He's not coming?
Yeah, since like 10 in the morning.
Alex, you're getting started a little loud over there.
Fucking dumbass.
Or.
Alright guys, Jonkler is heading out for the day. If you guys missed the last video, I'd suggest you watch it. It's some pretty good stuff. Now I was just telling them to watch the last video if they missed it. You gotta watch that shit, bro.
Bottom text.
Alright, Bokko, what happened?
So we ran it through, like you may or may not have seen, and that is how you connect that. You need a female fitting that can go onto your like AN or whatever it is line. Problem is, this is small. This is the 1/4 fitting. We bought 3/8 for the whole thing. So I mean, if you had the 1/4 kit, this is probably what they're supposed to give you, but they didn't upgrade us. So we don't have any female 2, 3, 4, 3/8, I guess, kit. So we just need this on that.
We found those.
Yeah, so we're gonna go buy one.
Damn, those some nice dollies, bro.
Yo, hop on. No, yeah, fuck that shit, bro.
Alright, where'd Bokko's garage go? Bokko! Oh, the goat, the goat. The fucking goat, bro.
Wait, no, we need that,
Oh,
but
shit.
negative. So if we put that on that, then okay, hold up this. This is what you do in Home Depot. All right, 2 of those, and we're good. I would like some Chester's hot fries, please. Especially from Home Depot, they're not gonna seal. So you want to just throw Teflon on all the metal things that don't already have some like colored shit like that. If you guys don't have Teflon tape, you can actually just nut on them, and then it'll seal.
Yeah, we went to Home Depot and we're gonna buy clear tubes so you can see the airflow.
We could just put some red 40 so you can watch the air flow through.
Yeah, I don't know if you could dye air either.
Wait, what's this position?
This is actually optimal position. Grog it.
Is that a good angle? That's a good angle.
Alright, I'll trust you. I'm trying to find where we're gonna run this bitch through the firewall, but this is where we're trying to get through.
We got both the lines in.
Alright, that's the hardest part of the install.
Check out that hosing.
So that one was gaped?
This is the part that if you're us and you were trying to find online, you can't. Because basically you got front, they're all labeled front left, front right, rear left, rear right, and then it goes tank and exhaust. Tank means it goes to the tank, but between this and the tank, you need to have your water air separator, which when it's in, it needs to be oriented like that so that the water falls down. I would suggest putting Teflon tape on everything that doesn't have this white stuff. So it comes with this, and that is how you mount this water air separator wherever you want. You could do any combination of fittings you want.
It's just really in the way.
There you go. So you could do any combinations of fittings you want down here just to get this water air separator on a line and put it wherever you want. And then this just has to go to the tank as well. It's a smaller fitting, so it's gonna be one of these top 2, but you can do it all on the same side. You can do it on 2 sides. This is just a valve too, and that goes to just your regular air release. You could go straight in there with that, I think, but you could run this under your plate and make it look cleaner. I'm the best booty clapper on the south side of Arizona. If you don't know how to find a constant 12 volt or opposite of that, ignition based 12 volt in your fuse box, you're gonna have to ask Chris Fix, but just use this. Go to your fuse box, buy a fuse box tap that's in there. It just like plugs in like a fuse and a wire comes out of it. This pink wire needs to go to the ignition switch 12 volt. The thickum one that has the red and the black coming out goes to your battery. We got this USB coming out at the driver's side because that's what your controls hooked to. If you pull this, these come out, and we just tucked it all behind that.
It's going all the way through, all the way to the back, basically. And we're just now putting the trim on. Yeah, you see the back trim there going all the way back to the trunk. And then underneath the liner There's some holes and it's wired through, and all the hoses are back up in here. It do be sucking. Holy fuck. Drop it slow. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, it is. Holy, bro, this bitch is low. Look how much, you gotta like bend like a fully fucking over to touch the ground. What day is it? The next day, what's going on?
I think it's working.
You wanna tell the world what we're fucking going through?
Well, we killed the battery, so now we're waiting for it to air up because the car started.
Oh shit.
Is that rubbing your fender?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna drill holes into the carpet and we're gonna zip tie it down because we're gonna do a trunk build. Hopefully you see that of one day. But this is temporary.
Yeah, start drilling, bro. Fuck him.
Yeah. Oh, he's sick with it.
That came out really good.
Zip ties. I'm just very surprised that the manifold is actually that tight on there.
All right, we basically ran every wire
Completely hidden.
I did put, like, you can kind of see one running there, and that's the fuse tap we put, but pretty much all the wiring just ran behind this kick panel, through here, through there, then it went through here behind the back seat, and we got everything back together. The interior looks mint, and all the wiring, this guy runs up to here, and this is what we use to control it. He's got it on the app as well, but I actually can't believe how sexy this bitch turned out. I really love the look of it. I'm amazed at how easy this was, but it did take us a long time because we've never done it before. But really, it was pretty cool. I think you guys saw the taillights already, but these are nice. He threw those in. So yeah, we're gonna probably be doing at least a couple other major things to this. He's got a body kit, we're gonna be wrapping it. I helped him out with everything. He's got a real trunk setup that's coming soon, but stay tuned for this car because this is probably a very relatable build for a lot of people getting into cars that just have something kind of nice, daily drivable, like a newer car. So if you guys wanna follow along, stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.